Sniff some pepper. Ground pepper, be it black or white, can stimulate sneezing. When you inhale a small amount of this spice, it can irritate the lining of your nose, causing you to sneeze. Why this works? Pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can irritate your nose by triggering the nerve endings inside the mucous membrane within. This, in turn, can cause you to sneeze as your nose tries to get rid of the foreign substance that has entered it. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.